Alright guys, disregard this side. We're working today on this.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna be working on this today. This is going to be going into my F150 2005. We got a whole bunch of this stuff. We got this guy, and we got a helper. Alright, see how that works. Alright, you got shoes on? Nope, your shoes are perfect.
Okay.
Alright, let's work. Alright, so first of all, we're going to have to pull this off. Radio, pull it out, and then we can test the new unit that's going to go in here. See if it's going to fit. If it doesn't, then we're going to have to trim some plastics to make it fit. It's not going to look as good as this. These are perfect around, but we'll see if we can make it work. And then you just pull one at a time. And this is how everything comes off in one piece. There you go.
There you go.
Good?
Yeah.
How did you do it? Just like this? Yep, that's how we did it. We just pulled it off.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have to disconnect the radio. I think these are 8mm back here. We should have 4 of those to hold the radio in. But let's pull this guy off first.
Yeah.
There you go. It's a passenger airbag light.
That's so loud, Daddy.
I know, it is loud, right?
I taking it out.
Yes, I was taking it out.
That's so loud. I taking a cord out.
We're not going to take the quarters out. We're just going to take this out.
I gotta put it down.
You're going to put it on later, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Now we got to take the screws off, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
I can see the radio, Daddy.
You see the radio? All right. You see my hands? Okay. Woohoo! We got it out. Look, it's a big radio. Right?
Wow. A big wheel.
Big radio. Now we can go outside and check it out. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah, from circle. Alright guys, so we're about to test this guy. And this doesn't fit over. So we are going to be trimming. Make sure it goes in here. So as you can see, it fits. So we just have to make a fitment for the screen to come in, for the whole unit to actually enter into here. But we have a lot of room to do that, so it should look like this. Or should we keep it like this? What do you guys think? See, so the reason I'm changing it, it's gonna look really good, like this. And what else? We also have 2 backup cameras, 2 different models. So we have this one. This one will go on the back of the handle, on the back of the pickup truck, on a tailgate. I would have to drill a hole about this big, about 1/8 to 1 inch, and then put this one through and screw it in there. So this is a 170 degrees camera. Or we can go with this one. This goes on a license plate. I'm not really a fan of the license plate backup cameras. They kind of look outdated. So that's the reason I got this one. Guys, how this one will work. So I think this one is gonna look really good, like right here. Because, I mean, I can buy this whole thing with the camera already in it. But it was kind of a little too late. I ordered this one and I ordered the other one. So, I mean, I don't feel like spending another 20, 30 bucks just for this. I'm just gonna drill a hole right here and put this one in. I think it's gonna look good. Well, we're gonna have to take this tailgate off. So how you take your tailgate off to reach that? You got bolts in here. You got this and you got these guys. We'll pull this off and then we'll reach over to the tailgate. And then we'll install the camera. And we have to run the wires through here somehow. And we might have to drill a hole. Or there is one right here. maybe you can just drop it down and then run it all the way to the front into the infotainment center. So let's trim to fit this in, and then we can work. Okay, so we made the cuts. Let's see if this is gonna fit. So alright guys, so we got the system installed. We don't have it installed, we just got a test fitted and everything fits. So now we have to cut the wires and connect these guys. Alright guys, we got a camera installed. So in order to get a camera installed, you have to pull this plate off. Run the wire this way. Mirror it out right here. Push underneath. Brought the ground and power wire. Brought it here. This is your reverse light. So I'm gonna connect it right here. So when you hit the reverse, it's gonna power the camera, send power to the camera, and then on this wire, long one, I'll push it through the frame, all the way to the front. It's gonna be coming underneath the dash and coming out here, so I can connect it to the heads unit. So let's fish the wire. Alright guys, so we have everything went through. The wire is coming from the bottom here. Now we have to find a spot up front, go to this way, go underneath and pull it through to the center console. So let me run the wire and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I taken the panel off underneath the steering wheel. So I got a wire coming this way behind the hood release and the emergency brake. I got a cable running down to the floor, and I'm gonna pull it up here and fish it right through here. Alright guys, so instead of me going through all of this, cutting the wires in and put a new harness, so what I did, I ordered a new piggy tail that goes into the original for the harness plug that comes with wires. They're just gonna be connected into this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the one that came with a radio. I'm gonna hook them up to this, and the one that I just ordered is gonna come in and is gonna plug in into here. So it's gonna be a plug and play without cutting the original harness out. Now I'm just gonna install this, and I'll wait till tomorrow until my other one come in. Then I'll just hook everything back up, and then we'll test if the backup camera is gonna work or not. But let's hope it does. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow in the morning. Okay guys, so it's another day. We had to order one of these guys in order to connect these plugs into the radio, as you can see right there, and this one goes back here into this original plug. So I didn't want to go ahead and cut the wires and try to connect them together, so this is the way I did it. And let's connect and see what happens. Alright guys, a moment of truth. We have a backup camera, boys, but it's upside down. Alright guys, so another day. We got everything installed as the way should everything be. It's just the wire that I'm testing out right now at the moment. Tail light installed. I mean, not installed, but We got a wire from the camera coming here to the red on a tail light. Let's put this back. And we also have ground. I got it grounded right here. And it's a little rusty, but I gotta tuck all this in. Show you guys here from the passenger side. You'll have all your wires connected to your radio, up to your screen, to your display. So that's ground, and this is your black wire. It says black. That runs to the screen. This wire, that's a signal wire to switch the screen from your whatever you're using to your rear view camera. So, and that wire connects down here. I'm gonna show you with the green harness with the green wires, and the yellow and green wire right here by itself in the corner. That's the wire that you want to connect to this wire, the pink wire from the monitor. That's a signal wire that sends a signal up to your screen telling that you're in reverse. It took the plug out and connected a purple wire that says black on the harness over there on the radio. The wire right about like going down from the radio, coming down this way behind the glove box, and it's dropping off right here. I connected the purple wire. That's this one. It's sitting by itself right here. As you can see, that's a reverse light wire and goes right into fuses here. So got that connected. Alright guys, so we have it plugged in. Okay, I got a check engine light on. Alright, no big deal. Perfect. Backup camera. Throw back in a parking spot. Reverse. Works. Drive. So this is what you wanna. This is what you want in your F150 2005. It works just as good. Alright guys, so that's where you hook it up. That's a control wire, signal wire. When you hit the reverse, it gives your radio signal that you're in the reverse, and kicks your camera in. So the camera is connected. Camera is connected to your reverse light right here. To the positive and negative, you can either run next to it or you can secure it to a chassis. And this is where the camera is. Alright guys, so I'm about to button this up, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And this is how to install your rear view camera and on your F150, and plus you have a little nice radio display. It tells you right here. So you can hook this. That's Android Play, and you can also hook up your Apple Play. You can just install your CarPlay to this, and it works fine. It works really good. And then you can transfer your Google Maps and all your music into your system, and you can have a brand new car after that. So thank you again for watching this video, and I appreciate you guys. And if you don't mind hitting the subscribe button, so we can have more how to do things along the way. So thank you, and see you again.